So what we're going to be focusing on today is flexion distraction technique for a lower back, usually a disc injury. And what I start with is by bringing the hips up to take pressure off of the joints and to put the discs into the front of the actual body. What we're going to do here now is start to open up the spine, flexing and distracting. And with Terry right here, we can tell the muscles in the lower back a lot more tightness on the left side than on the right. And with Terry, we want to introduce a vibrational frequency first to help to loosen up all the muscles and ligaments, and then we're going to incorporate some movement into the joints. What we're going to do here is we're going to put pressure on the side that's causing the injury. We're going to go down, over, and back up. This movement of flexion, lateral flexion, and extension helps to put nutrients into the actual joint. A lot of times chiropractic is associated with the popping and cracking of joints, but some of the techniques we implement in the practice are anything but traditional. They're new age techniques that help to import nutrients and hydration into the joints. And then what's nice is we can help to neutralize the disc, get pressure off the disc. If you've got a herniation and you're concerned with getting chiropractic but you're scared of surgery, all you got to do is work with a technician who uses the flexion distraction technique, and there's no manual adjustments, just relaxation and getting that disc to go right back in.